And next topic is nutrition in animal. So first of all, we'll start with the unicellular simplest organism, that is called amoeba. So let us see what kind of nutrition is there in amoeba. So we know that amoeba is nothing but the animal cell, and all animals get nourished by the process of holozoic mode of nutrition. So let us recall what is holozoic mode of nutrition. In holozoic mode of nutrition, first the organism ingests the food, that is the process of intake of the food. As the food get ingested, it get digest in the body of an animal. As the food get digest, it get absorbed in the body of organism. As the food get absorbed, it get assimilates in the body, and the undigested waste is thrown out of the body. So the holozoic mode of nutrition is complete in 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So let us see holozoic mode of nutrition in amoeba. So here is an adult amoeba. So as the amoeba come in a contact with the food, amoeba produces the finger-like projections, and these finger-like projections are called pseudopodia. So this pseudopodia help in the engulfment of food particle. So once the food get engulfed by the amoeba with the help of pseudopodia, the process is called phagocytosis. The process of engulfment of food by an amoeba is called phagocytosis. So amoeba ingests the food by the process of phagocytosis. Once the phagocytosis takes place, the food is get covered by the phagosome. Phagosome is nothing but the one of the vesicle formed by the cell membrane. So the food is now enclosed in the phagosome. Now this phagosome and the food vacuole present in the cell of amoeba comes together and joins. So the food enters in the food vacuole inside the cell of an amoeba. In the food vacuole, the food gets digested. The function of food vacuole is the food vacuole consists of many digestive enzymes which convert complex food into simple one. So in the food vacuole, the complex food get digested into the simplest form. Once the food get digested into the simplest form, the food get absorbed into the cytoplasm. So this process is called absorption. The digested food get absorbed into the cytoplasm. Once the food get absorbed, the food assimilates. That is, the food transports to all the parts of the cell, and these nutrients are then utilized in the process of growth, in the process of reproduction, and also to produce energy in the form of ATP. So this process is called assimilation. The undigested food get enclosed into the contractile vacuole, and this contractile vacuole then fuse with the cell membrane and create a passage for the removal of undigested waste. So here you can see how the undigested food is thrown out of the body, and this process is called egestion. So what is egestion? In egestion, the organism remove out the undigested food. So in this way, the amoeba get nourished. That is the process of holozoic mode of nutrition, which completes in 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion.